kind of like a cobblestone type road.
A cobblestone road. Take a look down at your feet. Can you see anything there?
Yeah.
Describe them for me.
I look like a bird. I have webbed feet.
You have webbed feet?
Yeah, like, I don't know.
Describe the feet for me. Are they big or small?
They're small.
Small feet? How many toes do you have?
3. Wait. Yeah, 3.
3 toes. And what color are they?
It's like yellow, orange.
A yellow orange? So what do you perceive your body to be like? Take a look at your body.
It's white.
White?
I think I'm a duck.
Okay, you're a duck.
Oh my god.
Are you male or female duck? How do you
I think I'm a male.
A male duck? Can you move?
Yeah, I can move.
Okay. So let's move down that cobblestone. Tell me everything you see.
Like in a small town.
I'm in a small town.
There's a lot of trees, but there's also buildings.
Describe the buildings.
They kind of look like little hobbit, like a hobbit town.
A little hobbit town?
Yeah.
Describe the buildings for me. What are the shapes?
They kind of look like mushrooms.
Like mushrooms? Do they have any doorways to them?
Yeah, it's just like a rectangle opening.
A rectangle. Can you see anything around you? Any other animals or people? Take a look around you.
No, I don't see anybody.
Do you feel that you're by yourself in this place?
Right now?
What emotions are you getting as you're there?
I kind of feel like I know where I'm going. I'm just walking. But
Okay. So let's walk and tell me everything that you see and experience along the way. Don't leave any details out.
No. I see like a bridge. I'm walking over the bridge.
What's the bridge made out of?
It's yellow. It's still like cobblestone.
Cobblestone bridge?
Yeah, but it's high up. And when I look down, I see a river, but it's really, really far below.
A river is far below, so you're very high up.
I'm very high up. And I'm going into still in the town. But I'm going into like an opening in a tree.
You're going into an opening in a tree?
Yeah.
Is the tree large?
It's huge.
And what do you see in there?
I see a bar.
There's a bar in there.
I see a bar, yeah. Or something that looks like a bar.
Okay.
Like maybe a restaurant.
A restaurant? Is there anybody in there?
No, there's nobody there.
So describe this place for me.
It's all wood. But within the inside of the tree, it has like a spiral staircase.
Is it going up or down?
It's going up. And I see tables, and I see like bottles. Like, let's say if it was like alcohol bottles.
There's bottles.
I see a ladybug.
A ladybug, where is she?
She's just there. She's reading.
She's reading?
She's reading.
Okay. So it's a large ladybug?
Yeah, she's large.
What is she reading?
I don't know. She's reading, I guess, a magazine.
Mm-hmm.
It's something with legs on it. I don't know. The cover of the magazine has, like, legs.
They have legs? Is it like a fashion magazine?
It looks like it.
Describe this ladybug.
She's round. I kind of feel like I'm in a cartoon.
Mm-hmm.
She's round and she's wearing a hat.
Mm-hmm.
A red hat.
A red hat?
It kind of looks like one of those big beach hats.
A big red beach hat.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
She's red and black, but her arms, they're white.
And what do her arms look like?
They look like regular hands.
They look human?
They look human.
So is she like a half ladybug, half human?
I think so.
Mm-hmm. What are her facial features like?
Well, her face and her body, they're one.
Mm.
It's kind of like a big circle.
Okay. Can you see her eyes?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What do they look like?
Normal.
They look like normal?
Mm-hmm.
Normal being
Human.
human eyes. But her body's not human.
No, she has eyelashes, like real long eyelashes.
Mm-hmm. Long eyelashes.
She's flirting with me.
Uh-huh. Now you can telepathically connect with her. What is she trying to tell you?
She's telling me hello. Welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Good to see you again. I guess I've been here before.
Ask her where you are.
Where am I?
And you will hear it.
In the valleys.
In the valleys?
Sky Valley.
Mm-hmm. Sky Valley? Mm-hmm.
Oh, the bartender came.
What does he look like?
He's a beaver.
The bartender's a beaver?
Yeah.
So describe this beaver for me.
He has buck teeth, and he has his flat tail. It's like round and flat, like when the beaver like compresses the wood.
Mm-hmm.
But he's wearing I don't know, he's wearing a tie and a suit.
And what does his face look like?
He has glasses on and he has his teeth out, like his buck teeth.
Uh-huh.
It's funny.
And what's he saying to you?
What am I gonna drink? It's gonna be the usual. I don't even drink. I guess I'll tell him, yeah.
So what is it that's your usual drink?
Green berries?
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Green
know.
berries?
Green berries.
Is that your drink?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it glows. It's like fluorescent.
What color is
It's kind of like a lime green.
like a lime green?
Yeah.
And it glows.
Uh-huh.
And how is it that you are drinking this? Do you have any arms?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so describe your body for me now that you're more acclimated to it.
My hands, they're like feathers.
Mm-hmm.
They're feathery.
They're feathery. Mm-hmm. Do the hands come out of the wings, or where do they come from?
It's like that. The hands are the wings.
The hands are the wings. Uh-huh. And what color are these wings?
I don't know. They're changing colors.
Mm-hmm.
See, it kind of like how a chameleon changes.
Mm-hmm. So what color were they before?
Before I couldn't see them.
Mm-hmm. So now, as you look down.
Now that looks like a display of lights.
Nice. And they're coming from
changing all these different colors.
Mm-hmm. Do you feel anything as they change?
I kind of feel like a little bit of energy.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm like a fairy.
Mm.
Or no. I don't know what I am.
But you feel that you're able to make the changes in your body? Are you using your thought to change them?
I don't know.
Get into your body more. Focus in on it. And see if you can make changes with your mind.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So can you actually think of a color and make it change?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So what color are you now?
Purple.
Purple.
Blue.
Mm-hmm. Blue. Tell me what's happening.
I'm still trying to figure out what I am.
Mm-hmm. See if you can see your face. Describe the rest of you.
I see like like an eagle.
Like an eagle?
Or a hawk or something.
Mm-hmm.
But it's kind of human.
Mm-hmm. You feel like you have human features?
Yeah.
And how is it that you're standing? Do you feel like you're tall or small?
I feel like I'm tall.
Mm-hmm. Are you able to change your shape?
No.
No?
Not sure.
Okay. But you say that you have a human type features?
It looks bird and human.
Bird and human.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What color are you now?
Blue.
Mm-hmm. And is there a name for your race?
I don't know.
Mm. Take a look at your mouth. And what does it look like?
Kind of looks like a beak.
Like a beak?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And what about their face? The rest of your face?
Looks human.
Mm-hmm. It looks human.
Still have my eyes. Still have human features, except for a beak.
And what about the top of your head? What does that look like?
It kind of looks like a Native American who wears a headdress.
Mm-hmm. Wearing a headdress?
Yeah, it's like all these feathers coming out.
Mm-hmm.
But it kind of comes out like a mohawk.
Mm-hmm. Like a mohawk.
Mm-hmm.
Now that you're standing there, take a look down at your legs again and tell me what your legs look like.
They look human.
They look human. Mm-hmm.
Except for my feet.
Mm-hmm. And they have 3 toes?
Yeah. It's kind of like... It's like I'm a bird, but they're webbed for the water.
For the water?
Yeah, like webbed feet.
Okay. Now, as you're in this, are you still in this bar?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And what are you doing there? Are you sitting or standing?
I'm standing.
You're standing. Okay, so tell me what happens next.
staring at myself.
Mm-hmm. How does it feel?
It feels good.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like a rooster, kind of. I don't know.
Like a rooster?
Like my chest is coming out.
Mm-hmm.
It has like that cocky look, like your chest out, but I'm not cocky.
It's a full chest.
It's a full chest. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And what does the backside look like?
I have all these feathers going down.
Mm-hmm.
They're like bluish green.
Bluish green. Very good. So as you get acclimated in that body now, I would like you to leave that scene and let's go to a place where you live. We're now leaving that scene behind and we're going to drift and float to the place where you live. Be there now. Where are you?
I'm on top of the trees.
On top of the trees. Describe everything for me.
It looks like a birdhouse.
Mm-hmm. A birdhouse.
But it's a house. It has windows.
Mm-hmm. Describe everything in detail.
It's white. It has red trimming. It has a red door. A red roof. A fireplace. Smoke coming out of the fireplace.
Mm-hmm. And smoke. How do you get into this house?
Just walk in.
Mm-hmm. And how do you get up to this place?
I flew.
You flew in. Okay. So let's go inside of this house and describe what's inside.
It just looks like a normal house.
Mm-hmm.
There's a TV. There's eggs.
There's eggs. Mm-hmm. Describe the eggs for me.
They're white with blue dots.
Where are these eggs?
They're in a crib.
Mm-hmm. In a crib. How many eggs are there?
2.
Mm-hmm. What else do you see?
See a sofa. See a bed. That's it.
Do you see anybody else around?
I see pictures
Mm-hmm.
on the wall.
What do they look like? Describe the pictures.
It's me with somebody who's red bird.
A red bird? Mm-hmm. As you look at that red bird, who do you feel that red bird is?
My wife,
Mm-hmm. Does she have a name?
Cecile.
Mm-hmm. Cecile. As you go around this house, do you feel that Cecile is in that house with you?
She died.
She died. Tell me about it. What happened?
I don't know.
Has she been gone for a while?
No.
No. All right.
She chose to die.
She chose to die. Let's leave that scene now and go to the scene where Cecile, right before Cecile chose to leave. Be there now. Where are you?
I'm saying goodbye.
Where are you?
On top of the trees. I see an opening in the sky. We're saying our last goodbyes, and she flew up. It's kind of like she transformed.
What did she transform into?
Energy.
How are you feeling?
I'm sad, but I know she has to go.
Why did she have to leave?
It's our time.
What was her purpose?
To have the eggs. The babies.
All right. So I want you to leave that scene now, and we're going now to the time when now the eggs have hatched. And tell me what's happening.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Describe everything to me.
They look just like me, like her.
Describe what they look like.
They have a beak. Still look human.
They look human.
They have their feathers. My son is saying, "Dad, look what I can do." He's changing colors.
What color is he changing to?
Like dark blue.
Ah.
It's cute. He's feisty. Ooh.
What's his name?
Sam?
Sam. And what's the other one?
Valeria.
Malaria? Is this a girl?
Yeah, she's beautiful.
What'd she look like?
Like her mother.
Like Cecile?
Yeah.
Describe it for me.
She looks regal, like a violet purple.
A violet purple.
But she has gold.
Where is this gold?
On the edge of the feather.
Beautiful. How big are these?
The feathers? They're big.
They're big?
Yeah.
Do the feathers span out quite a bit?
They kind of do. The women, their hair looks different. The feathers.
What does it look like?
It's kind of like it has like one feather coming out from the front. A whole bunch of smaller feathers behind it. Like a large feather in the front. And it kind of like curls over.
Does it go around the face? Does it shape the face?
No, it kind of like sticks up and then comes out.
And the face is almost human with a beak?
Yeah.
Now, is Malaria ever able to change colors also?
I think so.
What is she like? What's her personality like?
She's sweet. She's sweet, but she has an important job to do.
What's her job?
I think the women are sacred. connected.
They're more connected.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They're more special.
They're more special. Now, how is it that that you eat? Do you eat anything?
We eat the sun.
You eat the sun. So you get energy directly from the sun?
Light.
From the light. How is it that you absorb this energy?
Through our feathers.
Through your feathers. So the feathers are actually receivers of the light?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And the place where you are, you have, how many sons do you have?
Just one.
One son?
And one daughter.
Mm-hmm. Well, what I'm saying is, do you have where does your light source from?
Oh. I don't know. It's just one.
Okay. The light just comes to you and...
Just comes.
Okay. And what is it that you do throughout a day? How do you keep yourself busy?
We guard the village.
You guard the village?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is that your job?
It's everyone's job.
So you're the guardians of the village?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And how do you guard them?
With our energy.
With your energy. Are you able to fly?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And by guarding the village, who are you guarding against? What are you protecting them against?
I don't know.
Mm. Is there anything that you do with your energy that helps the occupants of the village?
We could.
Mm-hmm.
We could hide the village.
You can hide the village.
Yeah.
How do you hide it?
With our energy.
Hmm. So that others that come near can't see it?
Yeah, it's like a cloak.
Mm-hmm. Tell me more about this village.
I don't know. It's here on Earth.
It's here on Earth.
Yeah.
Is it on a certain dimension?
I think so.
Mm-hmm. Is it a different dimension than the third?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is it a higher dimension?
It's a lot higher.
Mm-hmm. So it occupies the same space as the third dimension, but humans can't see it?
Not yet.
Not yet. Mm-hmm. And can you tell what year you're in? Earth years.
We don't have years.
You don't have years. Tell me more about yourself.
I think we transfer our energy when we choose to die.
Okay. You transfer the energy when you choose to die. And how long do you live? Is there a length of time that you live?
Till we do what we have to do.
Mm-hmm. And what is it that you're doing in this lifetime?
Protecting the village.
Protecting the village. Good. All right, we're going to leave that scene now. We're leaving that scene, and we're moving ahead to another day in time in that same lifetime. A day when something important is happening. We've now moved ahead, and you're there now. Look around you. What's happening?
I see many of us.
Mm-hmm. Of the same type?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Where are you?
We're floating.
You're floating. Why, as you say, are you floating? Are you floating on anything, or?
No, we're not even flying. We're just floating.
You're just floating. Can you see anything around you?
We're all changing colors.
What color are you changing to?
It's flashing. It's kind of like it's mostly purple.
Purple.
And blue.
And blue. What is the significance of these colors?
To protect.
To protect. So tell me what's happening. What's going on today? What are you protecting them from?
I don't know.
And you say there's many of you?
Yeah.
How many are there? Look around.
It's too many to count.
Too many to count?
Yeah.
All right. So let's fast forward to see what it is that you're protecting. Connect with the others so that you can all connect together and see what the purpose is of this gathering, large gathering. Get the scope of it.
It's like protecting ourselves to survive.
You're protecting yourselves?
Yeah.
From what?
We're protecting ourselves to live, like the belief.
To
make others believe.
To make others believe?
That we're real.
That you're real. And who are the others that you want to believe that you're real?
Humans.
Humans.
Yeah.
And how is it that you're going to tell the humans that you're real?
Well, they know.
They know?
Some of them.
Some of them? Have you been able to connect with any other humans?
A long time ago.
A long time ago? And what about now?
They don't believe.
They don't believe.
That's where we get our energy.
That's where you get your energy? From where?
The belief.
From the belief. What is the importance of you with the humans?